Hey there! Today on Budget Buying, we're checking out the top 5 best optical power meter, a lineup built for accurate fiber testing and pro-level network diagnostics. If you're ready to see which model stands out, let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Saixian optical power meter. The Saixian optical power meter is a versatile tool designed for professionals and enthusiasts working with optical networks. Combining multiple functions in a compact, portable design, it provides a comprehensive solution for network testing and maintenance. One of its standout features is the network cable pairing testing function, which ensures accurate verification of connections, making it easier to maintain efficient network performance. Equipped with a universal USB direct charger, the device offers convenience and flexibility, allowing users to recharge quickly without the need for specialized adapters. Its high-capacity battery ensures extended operation, supporting prolonged fieldwork without interruptions. For detecting faults in optical fibers, the visual fault locator enables precise identification of problem points, improving troubleshooting efficiency. The optical power meter boasts stable light emission and an extended penetration distance, enhancing its ability to test fibers accurately over longer spans. Additionally, it includes a small LED flashlight, which proves invaluable when working in dimly lit or dark environments. This attention to practical detail ensures that the device remains user-friendly under a variety of conditions. Supporting 7 wavelengths, the Saixian optical power meter can handle a broad range of optical testing scenarios. It also features the ability to store up to 500 sets of data, allowing users to record, store, and review measurements conveniently at any time. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in a pocket or tool bag, ensuring it is always ready for immediate use. With its combination of portability, multifunctional testing capabilities, and reliable performance, the Saixian optical power meter serves as an essential instrument for optical network technicians, offering both precision and convenience in a single, robust package. Coming in at number 4, the Comptyco MC70 optical power meter. The Comptyco MC70 optical power meter is a compact yet highly capable device designed for precise optical measurements in a variety of environments. Engineered with a high-quality detector, the MC70 delivers measurement accuracy with an error margin of less than plus or minus 0.2 dB, ensuring reliable readings for critical optical testing tasks. Its high-intensity red light provides excellent penetration, allowing users to accurately check lines even in dark or low-light environments, while the durable luminous head promises longer service life and consistent performance. Beyond its core optical power measurement capabilities, the MC70 offers multifunctional integration, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including wiring overhauls and line inspections. The device also features a hidden RJ45 tester, adding convenience for network diagnostics without requiring extra tools. Its small, beautifully designed form factor ensures portability, allowing technicians to carry it effortlessly to job sites and measure optical signals whenever needed. Designed for professionals who require accuracy, durability, and versatility, the Comptyco MC70 combines precision engineering with practical features that streamline the testing process. Whether for routine maintenance, line construction checks, or troubleshooting, this optical power meter provides dependable performance and user-friendly operation, making it an essential tool for anyone working with fiber optics or network systems. With its combination of high-precision measurement, multifunctional capabilities, and portable design, the Comptyco MC70 stands out as a practical solution for modern optical testing needs, offering convenience and reliability in a compact package. Coming in at number 4, the Guangyan Y8 optical power meter. The Guangyan Y8 optical power meter is a versatile tool designed to simplify and enhance fiber optic testing and network maintenance. Equipped with both main and auxiliary LED lighting, it allows users to illuminate their workspace instantly with a single button, eliminating the need to power on the entire device. This thoughtful feature ensures that work in dimly lit environments can proceed smoothly and efficiently. A standout feature of the 8 is its powerful red light source. By opening the top right cover and inserting a fiber jumper, users can access a stable red light capable of penetrating long-distance fiber. This makes tracing and testing fiber lines much easier, even across extended runs. Complementing this, the optical power detector, located under the top left cover, offers high-precision measurements with an error margin of less than 0.2 dB. The detector can also be manually calibrated, allowing professionals to maintain accuracy across different testing scenarios. The device also incorporates an RJ45 pairing function, streamlining network cable alignment. By pressing a button on the back, the auxiliary unit is revealed, and once both main and auxiliary units are connected to network cables, they automatically synchronize to perform line testing. This function is particularly useful for network installations and troubleshooting, reducing setup time and increasing efficiency. Additionally, the Y8 includes a laser rangefinder. Activated by pressing the Ref key, this one-key ranging feature can measure distances up to 40 meters, supporting tasks that require precise spatial awareness. Compact yet multifunctional, the Guangyan Y8 optical power meter integrates auxiliary lighting, high-precision detection, red light testing, RJ45 pairing, and laser ranging into a single, user-friendly device, making it a reliable companion for fiber optic professionals and network technicians. Next up at number 2 is the Noyafa NF-916 optical power meter. The Noyafa NF-916 optical power meter is a versatile and compact tool designed for efficient fiber optic and network diagnostics. Measuring just 127 by 61 by 32 millimeters, it offers a portable solution for fieldwork, complemented by Type-C charging and a vibrant color screen that enhances usability on the go. This device integrates multiple functions into a single unit, including an optical power meter, a visual fault locator, and cable testing, making it an all-in-one solution for network professionals. Its 4-in-1 functionality allows users to measure, detect, and troubleshoot fiber optic systems efficiently, reducing the need for multiple separate tools. The NF-916 also features a crystal head crimp test, ensuring secure and reliable connections, which is crucial for maintaining optimal network performance. Continuity testing is made simple with line sequence lights and on-screen results, enabling technicians to quickly identify any cable issues without guesswork. With a wide wavelength range of 850, 980, 1310, 1490, 1550, 1625 nanometers, the NF-916 provides comprehensive fiber optic assessment, accommodating various network environments and testing requirements. This versatility allows users to perform detailed power measurements and diagnostics across different types of fiber optic installations. Compact yet powerful, the Noyafa NF-916 combines portability, precision, and multifunctional capability, making it a practical choice for professionals needing an efficient, reliable, and field-ready optical testing solution. Its thoughtful design and wide-ranging features support seamless network maintenance and troubleshooting. Finally, at number 1, we have the Comptyco AUA-330U optical power meter. The Comptyco AUA-330U optical power meter is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of modern network diagnostics with efficiency and precision. Housed in a soft silicone protective sleeve, the device offers durable protection against collisions and accidental drops, ensuring reliable performance even in demanding field environments. Its thoughtful design minimizes the risk of damage, allowing technicians to focus on testing without concern for equipment loss or malfunction. The meter features a two-port straight-through design, enabling seamless communication between the OLT and ONT during testing. This ensures that the entire data path remains intact and functional, providing accurate measurement results while maintaining the integrity of the network connection. This design simplifies the testing process and enhances operational efficiency, making it suitable for both routine maintenance and troubleshooting scenarios. With support for 3 wavelengths simultaneously, the Comptyco AUA-330U offers a broad testing range, allowing multiple optical signals to be measured at once. This capability is essential for modern networks that operate across different wavelengths, providing technicians with a comprehensive view of network performance in a single test. Accuracy remains a key strength, with a control error maintained within plus or minus 0.5 dB, ensuring that measurements are both reliable and precise. Compact, practical, and engineered for accuracy, the Comptyco AUA-330U optical power meter integrates protective features, multi-wavelength testing, and precise performance, making it a valuable tool for professionals in fiber optic network installation, monitoring, and maintenance. Its combination of durability, functionality, and accuracy underscores its role as a reliable instrument for ensuring seamless optical network operations. What an impressive lineup! Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more top gadget picks.